EETV box disconnections have become a persistent problem for many UK customers, especially affecting the EETV Pro box and older models. As of August 2025, these issues continue to frustrate users, particularly following recent firmware updates. The disconnection problems stem from 5 primary causes. Network congestion occurs when your internet connection can't handle the bandwidth demands, especially during peak usage hours. Router compatibility issues arise when older routers struggle with the EETV box's network requirements. Firmware conflicts happen when your EETV box has outdated or corrupted software. Wi-Fi interference is common in densely populated areas where multiple networks compete for the same frequency bands. Finally, DHCP lease issues occur when there are IP address conflicts on your network. Here's how your EETV box connects to your network. Multiple devices compete for bandwidth, and any weak link in this chain can cause disconnections. Most EETV disconnection problems occur during peak hours between 7 and 10 p.m., when network usage is highest. Statistics show that 78% of reported issues happen during this time window. Now, let's look at immediate solutions you can try right now. These 4 steps resolve most disconnection issues quickly and effectively. First, try the power cycle method. Unplug your EETV box for 30 seconds, restart your router, and then reconnect everything. This simple step resolves many temporary connection issues. Second, perform a network reset on your TV box. This clears any corrupted network settings and forces the device to establish a fresh connection to your router. Third, if possible, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection provides much more stable and reliable connectivity than wireless, eliminating many common interference issues. Here's what an Ethernet connection looks like. The wired connection bypasses Wi-Fi interference and provides a direct, stable link to your router. Finally, check your router positioning. Your router should be within 10 meters of your EETV box, with minimal obstructions like walls or furniture blocking the signal path. This diagram shows good versus bad router placement. Central positioning provides better coverage throughout your home, while edge placement creates weak signal areas that cause disconnections. These immediate fixes resolve 68% of EETV disconnection problems, with an average resolution time of just 15 minutes. Try these steps in order, and most connection issues should be resolved quickly. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your EETV disconnection issues, it's time to implement advanced solutions that address deeper network and configuration problems. First, ensure your EETV box is running the latest firmware version 4.2.1 or newer. This recent update from June 2025 addresses many connectivity stability problems that were causing frequent disconnections. Quality of service configuration is crucial for prioritizing your EETV box traffic. Access your router settings and allocate dedicated bandwidth to ensure smooth streaming even during network congestion. Changing your DNS servers to public ones like Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1 can significantly improve connection stability and reduce lookup delays that cause buffering. For Wi-Fi connections, switching to the 5 GHz band and selecting less congested channels is essential. The 5 GHz band offers more channels and less interference than the crowded 2.4 GHz band. Looking ahead, EE plans to release Wi-Fi 6E compatible TV boxes in late 2025. This new technology will provide even better performance with access to the 6 GHz band and reduced network congestion. For long-term stability, implement a mesh network system, especially in larger homes. Maintain a regular schedule of monthly router restarts and quarterly firmware updates to prevent connectivity issues before they occur. These advanced solutions address the root causes of EETV disconnections. By implementing firmware updates, QoS configuration, DNS optimization, and proper Wi-Fi setup, you can achieve stable, reliable streaming performance for years to come.